harder to predict which way they're going to roll, which way they're going to turn. So in gi grappling, the turtle is very valuable for that reason. It's a step up from bottom side control, and it gives you a chance to get back to a more dominant position, or at least a neutral position. But if strikes are involved, it's always better to be underneath bottom side control than the turtle. Someone can punch you, or elbow you, or kick you, or knee you. It's always better to be facing them, almost regardless of the position. I would almost take bottom mount over bottom turtle if strikes are involved, right? Because at least I can face the person, at least I can clinch and hug the person and try to tie up their arms a little bit and survive, instead of just kind of, putting my head in the sand and hoping for the best. So yeah, as we train the turtle, just be aware of that in your brain. Think about why you train, what reflexes you're trying to develop in your jiu-jitsu, and if you don't care a whit about self-defense, then turtle up and stay there as long as you want. But what you do in here is going to carry over in a stressful situation. So you don't want to have that habit of just like going to turtle just because you can. The turtle is, you get stuck there sometimes, you need to know how to get out, but it's not the kind of place you want to be standing on. Cool. Any other questions? You guys good? Nothing back related? Yeah, shoot.
So you're saying I can't pull guard street fight?
Guard is a better position than turtle. I would pull guard before I pull turtle, that's for sure. If you're Con Gracie, you can pull guard in the street fight. It's going to make sense. Everyone else is not allowed. Cool.
Drew, any defenses for someone jumping the third option?
And I'm sorry, say it again?
When they start to roll and someone just takes your back and jumps over.
They jump to the other side?
Yeah.
Not really. I mean, all these are very kind of like timing based, and you have to be really, really sensitive to kind of feel what your opponent wants before you go. Because like any of these can be exploited if your partner knows what you're going to do first. So it's good to maybe like test the water a little bit. If they don't react, then go forward as hard as you can. Not as hard as you can, but you know what I mean. Give it a little commitment. Or try to combine escapes. So like try to turn to face your opponent even though you feel like you can't. Really try to sell them on that, and then quick turn away and roll. So just to keep yourself unpredictable on the bottom. Yeah. It's the one advantage the bottom person has there is their ability to move in different directions is hard to contain. It's hard to stop that. You can put your weight on the person, but they can still rotate if they're on their knees. They have more power, more leverage in there. So, but yeah, combining the escapes is what you'll have the best luck with. Best luck is don't even turtle up to begin with. Don't even get there, but it happens. All right. Any other questions? You guys good? All right. Grab your mouthpieces. So we're gonna start from turtle position. Top person. The goal is to submit or get the hooks in. 2 hooks in and you win. Submission and you win. Bottom person, you're trying to get to any neutral position. Close guard, open guard for 3 to 5 seconds. I think half guard, keep going.
Back tape.
Back tape with hooks in, stop. That's a victory for the top person. So bottom person, you're not allowing hooks, not allowing a submission.
Side control, keep going.
Side control, let's say stop. Let's say that's a win for the top person too, just today.